show you how to make Passover bingo cards using software called Bingo Card Printer that you can download from bingocardprinter.com. This is the main screen of the software. What I do is I click Create New Bingo Card Project, and I'm now given a choice of what kind of bingo cards I'd like to create. I can use a blank one where I enter my own words. I can have standard US bingo cards with numbers and columns. I can use cards with alphabet or numbers. I can also have bingo cards themed around various topics, for example, school subjects like geography, maths, or history, events like baby showers, bridal showers, or birthdays, or if I go into holidays, I'll find various secular and religious holidays. So if I scroll down, there is in fact already a template set up for Passover, which I simply highlight that and either click on it or double click on it, and I've created my Passover bingo card here. The list of words that can appear on the bingo card are shown here on the left hand side, words and phrases. The right hand side are sample bingo cards with the words in the same order. Now if you look at this, what you will see is I could, for example, add my own words as well. So for example, if I was to add the word Jewish holiday as a phrase, I can type it in there and it will add it to the list. Add it at the bottom of the list. The initial list was in alphabetical order, but I can rearrange the list, and any new items I add appear at the list in order. So if I want to make it back into alphabetical order, I can simply do sort there. And if I don't know why it took so long there, it doesn't usually take that long. And if I want to delete items, so for example, if I want to delete Leviticus, I highlight it and click delete. So I can customize my word list. I can also change the size of the bingo cards. I can make different sizes, 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, which is what I started with, or a larger bingo card like a 6x6. You'll see I don't actually have enough items to fill out a 6x6 bingo card, so I shall stick to 5x5 for now. I can change the heading, and whether to have a heading, and if I wanted to, I can change the word bingo to something else, change whether or not to have that free space in the middle, and again I can change it to some other text if I wanted to. I can also change the fonts and colours. So for example, if I wanted to make the squares a checkerboard of white and let's say blue squares, and we'll do white on blue and blue on white. And let's make the free space square a different colour, for example, blue on yellow. And the heading I could change as well. Perhaps we'll make it just for variety. I'll make it red with yellow text, and we'll make the lines another colour again. Let's make them green, just as an example. Obviously I could choose whatever colours I liked, and I could change my fonts as well. So that shows you what it would look like with these colours. If I'm happy with that, I would then be ready to print it, or I could make more customisations until I'm happy with it. Now the sample bingo card has the words in the same order as on the list here, but the real bingo cards will have the words in different order on every single bingo card. So let's do an example of printing. If you look on the right hand side here, these are the main options relating to printing. Print call list tells the software whether or not to print an additional sheet with this list of words and phrases in random order. If you're using the bingo cards in a classroom situation or you're teaching with them, it's very useful to have that printed reference to refer to. If you don't want that, you want to draw the items out yourself or generate them during the gameplay, you just can uncheck that. But I'll leave it on so you can see what it looks like. Second option is how many bingo cards to print per page. If I want to save paper, I can print more than one bingo card per page. Every individual bingo card will come out smaller, so the disadvantage is they're slightly harder to read. Second disadvantage is if I have to give one bingo card to each player, I have to cut the pages up. Although because the pages are arranged the same, I can use a guillotine to cut through a whole stack of pages in one go. But I'll stick to one per page so it's easy to see what's going on. And finally, how many bingo cards do I want to print? Now this is the real power of the software. If I want to print a large number of bingo cards, say 100, and every one being different, I just type that in, and when I do print, every single bingo card will be different. If I do print preview, you'll see on screen what I mean. So when I do print preview, there's my call list. This is the list of words in random order. When I do next page, you'll see here the first bingo card has a particular arrangement. I'll zoom out so you can see the whole bingo card. When I do next page, the second bingo card is different, and so on. Every bingo card has a different random arrangements of the words. So it's that easy to produce lots and lots of customized bingo cards. If I close that, I will also show you another alternative to print call list, which is to say cool game. Now in this case, the software will choose one word for you, display it on the right hand side, and show the current item and any previous items on the left hand side. So here's another way of acting as a bingo caller without having that printed call list. Okay, and that's it. The software is called Bingo Card Printer. The website is bingocardprinter.com. The software is compatible with all recent versions of Windows on the PC, including Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows XP. There's a free trial download which you can download and try out for free. It comes with hundreds of templates for different bingo activities. You can either use them as they are, or you can customize those templates to produce your own unique bingo activity. And you can also start from a blank sheet and enter your own word list, words or numbers or whatever you want from scratch. So bingocardprinter.com, go to the website, download the free trial, try it out. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video.